and you're watching Titan Weekly. This week we'll be highlighting some fresh entertainment and CSUF news. Let's get started. Oh baby! Well, 2020 has certainly been crazy. Many celebrities will remember it as a year they welcomed new bundles of joy. Billie Lourd, the daughter of Carrie Fisher and granddaughter of Debbie Reynolds, recently welcomed a son with her fiance, Austin Rydell. Baby Kingston Fisher Lord Rydell follows a slew of other celeb babies born this year, including newborns from stars like Katy Perry, Ed Sheeran, Amanda Seyfried, Leah Michele, Chris Pratt, Gigi Hadid, Joaquin Phoenix, and of course, Joe Jonas. It's clear that Hollywood has taken advantage of pandemic downtime, with additional pregnancy announcements from stars like Nicki Minaj, Ashley Simpson-Ross, and Usher. Stories like these give us reason to smile, and we cannot be happier for all the star couples who are welcoming new additions to their family this year. Speaking of expecting Hollywood mamas, This Is Us star Mandy Moore is also pregnant. And she announced it on Instagram that she is expecting a baby boy early next year with husband Taylor Goldsmith. In the meantime, she is also excited to welcome This Is Us fans back with a 2-hour premiere of Season 5 later on October 27th. The Season 5 opener will come just a month after production started on September 24th. And we cannot be more excited. This series has been ranked as television's #1 drama for the 4th season in a row. Will Season 5 continue the streak? Tune in to see what This Is Us has in store this season. Hey Titans, if you're looking for some local news, CSUF's OC News has got you covered. Let's take a look at their latest episode, where they get the inside scoop on what's cooking over at the OC Fair. Check it out right here.
There's one thing COVID didn't take away from us, our favorite fair foods.
This is great because one, it's really hot and I have to get out and walk, and then two, we can still get fair food without walking. And yeah, we're just gonna eat in our car, which is great.
Disney lovers and moviegoers, grab your popcorn and car keys because we're going to the movies. Last week, Disney announced a free drive-in festival in Santa Monica coming this month. The films include fan favorites from Disney, Pixar, Marvel, and Star Wars. Hurry though, capacity for the event is limited. One registration is needed for every vehicle of up to 4 passengers. Registration for the event has begun, so hurry and grab your tickets. While we may have lost a true hero last month, Chadwick Boseman, his kind actions have impacted us all, including Sienna Miller. The actress recently told Empire magazine that Boseman made sure she was paid fairly for her role in 21 Bridges. He reduced his own salary so that his co-star could get paid what she was asking for, telling her that she should be, quote, getting paid for what you're worth, end quote. Miller added that at the time she was hesitant to work, but she wanted to work and do the film with Boseman, who was a fan of hers. What a true friend. May Chadwick Boseman rest in peace. We all miss him dearly. Well guys, that's all the time we have for today. Tune in next time for some more fresh entertainment and CSF news. I'm Briana Beverly. I'll see you guys next week.